Hi, this is Claire again. So, many of you already know ChatGPT, but have you ever used Google Bard recently? So, new feature has released a couple of days ago. It's amazing. So, Sam, tell me more about the Google Bard. Here.
Hello. I thought it was really cool. I mean, I think it was announced actually a few days ago, but I just checked Twitter yesterday and I was playing with Google Bard. I'm seeing some really interesting examples. The first example is that it has a new feature where it allows you to take a photo. So until now, there's basically been one mode of AI, which is text. So it's like ChatGPT, you give it text and then it responds in text. But multimodality means I want to provide another mode of communication with the AI, such as instead of giving a text describing an app that I want to create, what if I can just sketch it? I can sketch an app that I want to create, and then I take a picture of that and send that to the AI. And then that's exactly what you can do. I saw an example on Twitter where somebody, what did they do? They took a screenshot of their of the timer app on their iPhone. They just took a screenshot. They sent it. They uploaded that file to Google Bard, and the prompt they said, create an iPhone app for me in Swift. Swift is the language that's used to program for iOS iPhones, and just make the code for me. And then it did it. It provided the code. So what Google Bard is doing is essentially it's looking at the image, it's understanding what am I looking at right now, and it's noticing there's time, there's a start button, there's a timer button. So it's understanding all of that. And then it's saying, what does the user want to do with this? And it's looking at the prompt and it says, oh, create a code it in Swift. So it says, okay, so now it can do it. Now, could I do this without the picture? Of course you can. You can just describe everything through Word. But sometimes taking a picture is just nicer. Another person posted this really cool thing. He took a picture of the food that he was eating. I think it was like kimchi fried rice or something. He took a picture and said, create a recipe for me. So what Google Bard had to do was look at the picture, understand what it's looking at, and then it responded by saying, sure, this is kimchi fried rice. These are the ingredients that you need, blah, 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 blah. Step one. And it's really cool and it really felt magical. It feels especially magical when you use Google Bard, not on your desktop, but if you use it on your phone, because from your phone, you can actually, when you upload a file, you can upload a file or you can take a picture. And so then you can just take a picture of anything. So today we were out eating at a restaurant and I was just taking pictures. I took a picture of a Korean menu, and it wasn't listed horizontally, it was listed vertically. So I took a picture and I said, order the menu, and put that into a table and put the most expensive item at the top and in descending order. And it did it. It did it. It was pretty amazing. It didn't get all the menu items, but it did it. And then it created a little table. And then at the bottom, it said export to Sheets. And so I clicked export to Sheets. And what it did was it created a table in Google Sheets with the exported information. So I kept playing with it. It's not perfect. It doesn't do a little like a great job of all things, but I think it's giving us a glimpse of what does the future of AI look like. If everybody's used to ChatGPT and just text, but with images, what are people going to do with this? I think people just need to experimenting and playing with it. I know I have, and it's been a lot of fun, and it feels like magic. I know it felt like the first time when I used ChatGPT and it responded to me, it kind of felt like that.
Wow, I'm blown away. Bye.
See ya.